front of me is iPad Pro 13 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Devices Settings. Following that, scroll down to Access Passwords over here. Now you need to tap on this plus at the top right corner. Select New Password option and input all of those informations. At the top a title, then a website, username, email or phone number, and finally password. You can even add notes at the bottom. When you're ready, hit Done at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!